I make $100,000 a month online, but God still comes first. So come with me as a Christian entrepreneur to church on a Sunday.
Just do what I do. Just wrap that thing in one little bow in the back and send her on her way to school. It's not worth the fight.
I am tired, about to head off to bed, but this might be one of my last vlogs in a while. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be posting every day on YouTube, but I feel like every day has just been the same, like over and over and over, and I haven't really been yapping as much lately. Gonna be switching my content style to more sit-down, how-to educational videos, just so that, one, I have more stuff to actually talk about and yap about. Two, I feel like it's more valuable for you guys to actually learn what I know instead of just you guys seeing my lifestyle every day. And yeah, I can tell you like what I'm working on now and like how I'm continuing to grow and continue to improve myself and continue overcoming all these different roadblocks with my businesses. I don't know how applicable that is to you, considering I'm in like chapter 30 of my journey and you might be in chapter 1 or 2, who knows. So yeah, definitely starting tomorrow, we're gonna be bringing back more educational how-to videos because I just want to provide as much value and as much goodwill to you guys as possible. And I think I had to stop thinking what is best for me, but what is best for my audience and what is best for you. And so I think these vlogs are more entertainment slash aesthetic. But I think what's actually best for my audience is to share all the different secrets and show you guys how exactly to be able to live this lifestyle I'm living. So let me know in the comments what you want, whether you want more lifestyle vlogs like these, or if you want more value-based how-to educational videos. So that's my current thought process. Gonna try out more sit-down educational videos this next week. So we'll see how it does. Obviously I could go back if I don't like it, but definitely want to switch things up a little bit. But yeah, as always, official numbers for the day, $2,411. Not terrible, but considering I didn't do any work at all, not bad. So, but yeah, if you are wondering how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course on YouTube breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. And now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna go crazy.